Oh no! The oceans have disappeared. Who stole them? The planet is in full-blown chaos without them. All those beautiful cities dry and dusty, full of sand from sandstorms. It's not likely that the oceans would dry up overnight, but what would happen to the Earth without them? Just how important are our oceans? Well, to start, there'd be a lot more land. Oh no, what about sushi? "15 to 20% of all animals we know about live in the oceans, and we're finding more all the time. But what would all those marine animals do? Is it time to hitch up a wagon and find a hidden pond? Look for a different way to get around? Maybe jellyfish will discover helium and we'll see them floating down the street. Whatever they do, they better do it fast. They definitely wouldn't evolve legs and be able to breathe on land overnight." Besides the animals, humans are going to have a real tough time. About half our oxygen comes from plankton, the tiny organisms you need a microscope to see properly. But they are all throughout the ocean, working away every day. No ocean means a lot less oxygen. The ocean plays a big role in keeping the Earth's temperature regulated. With no ocean to keep the temperature relatively consistent, days feel like an oven, and nights are colder than a snowman's handshake. The weather would start to go crazy with huge sandstorms and hurricanes, maybe even icy tornadoes.
Oh, I can't work like this. I give up.
The oceans contain 97% of all the water on Earth. With the sun taking over during the day, water we can drink will become really important. So we need to look at ways to recycle our wastewater, like they do on space missions. Maybe we could come up with machines that can extract the water that's left in our air into drinking water. Or people might have to wear hydration suit to recycle sweat. Oh, not something I want to do. But we definitely need to become desert survivors. I'm sure some guy will try and hoard all the water too. All right, enough of this. Let's get back to normal. So, we need to get the water back. Maybe a rain dance? Or a huge water balloon? I guess you'll just have to subscribe to see if I can fix this mess when we ask our next question. Whatever that's going to be.
All right, this is fun.
Oh, this sun is lovely. Wait, is this what dinner feels like?